Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can take audio files such as a podcast and be able to upload it into a Canvas course. So there's a couple of steps involved. The first thing is you need to be working on either your laptop or your desktop or your panel. Using a Windows device is what we're going to talk about for this particular piece. So I'm going to use the podcast we create in the notebook, the Google Notebook, as an example of how we can go about doing this. So just a quick reminder that if you are in Google Notebook and you don't see that podcast piece, you click on this little notebook guide and you're going to see the audio overview. If you have already created your podcast and it's not here, just click on load. It takes just a second and it will bring back up the one that you had already created. And yep, here you go. So what you're going to do is click on these three dots. And when you click on these, you're going to go ahead and download this audio file. Now what's going to happen is it's going to download it onto your desktop, but it's going to use this WAV file. Do you notice this, this little cone here? This is the WAV file that is found on all of our Windows devices in the district. So it's going to save it as that file onto your desktop. So let's pretend I already have saved it because I did. So name it, click save. Make sure you put it where you want to put it. If you want it on your desktop, just note where you're saving it so it makes it easier for you to go back and find it again. So let's pretend that we already just saved it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to head out to Canvas. And when you go to Canvas, you're going to want to create a new assignment. So you're going to put the name of it, whatever you're going to do here. And then when you come into the assignment box, you're going to come over here and you're going to notice that you have several different options. One of these is to record and upload media. That's the one you're going to choose. So we're going to go ahead and select that and we are going to upload our media. Now, since we saved it to our computer, we can either drag it onto here, or if you click on this, it's going to bring up your files that are audio files already. And so you'll notice right here, this is the one that we pretended to save because I already had saved it, the Media Literacy Podcast. So if you go ahead and click on that and open, now what it's going to do is it's going to bring it up here for you. Click on submit, and now it's going to load it right here into your assignment. Now this is going to take a little while. So it didn't on mine because I already have it uploaded because I did a practice run already, but it took probably 8 to 10 minutes for it to upload. It's a pretty big audio file. So just know that if it sits there and takes a little while, that's because it's a big file. But what it's going to do is then it's going to bring it in here. And when it's all loaded and ready to go, this is what it's going to look like. Now I'm going to go over to the one that I already uploaded and published so you can see what that looks like. So here it is. And then when I go to view this as a student, I'm going to see that audio file already here, ready to go. I just click play and it's going to go ahead and start that audio file for me. So that's how you could take a podcast. And if you have podcasts online and things like that, sometimes they let you download those. It works exactly the same way. And then you can just re-upload it into Canvas. And now this is how all of your students have access to those audio files. All right. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.